Are your AI results consistently mediocre? Do you feel like you're just not getting the most out of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or even the latest models? You're probably making these common mistakes that are killing your productivity and delivering unhelpful, generic answers. But here's the good news. After watching this tutorial, you'll know the critical errors to avoid when using any AI tool. We'll transform your prompts into powerhouses, getting you consistently accurate, high-quality output every single time. Let's dive in. Section 1. The problem, why this matters. Many people tell us, AI just gives me generic, unhelpful answers. It's not really saving me time. And you know what? They're right, if you're using it wrong. The core problem is that most of us expect AI to read our minds or to magically do everything in one go without proper guidance. This leads to frustrating cycles of reprompting, tweaking, and ultimately giving up. But it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine getting precise, tailored, and reliable AI results every time. That's not just possible, it's what smart users are already doing by correcting just a few common errors. Now, before we get to the mistakes, let's set the stage. The principles we're about to discuss apply universally to virtually any AI tool you use. ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, you name it. We're not talking about specific settings here, but rather a fundamental understanding of how to interact with these powerful models. Your goal should be to understand each AI tool's core strengths and limitations. For instance, some excel at creative writing, others at factual retrieval. A common gotcha to avoid? Don't jump between too many tools without first mastering these fundamental interaction principles. Consistency builds competence. Mistake 1. Vague prompts and how to fix it. Okay, let's tackle mistake number 1, vague prompts. This is probably the biggest culprit for generic AI output. When you type something like, "Write me an email," the AI has no idea who it's for, what the goal is, or what tone to use. It just guesses, and usually it guesses wrong. The fix? Always provide specific context. Think about the audience, the tone, the purpose, your desired length, and even examples if you have them. You need to show, not just tell, the AI what you want. For example, instead of just saying, "Write an email," try this. Vague prompt example. Write an email asking for a meeting. AI output, typical. Subject, meeting request. Dear name, I would like to request a meeting to discuss topic. Please let me know your availability. Sincerely, your name. Generic, right? Mistake number 2 is a dangerous one, not verifying AI responses. It's easy to assume because the AI sounds confident, it must be correct. But AI models can hallucinate, making up facts, or provide outdated information. This can lead to serious errors in your work, damage your credibility, or even cost you money. The fix? Always treat AI output as a first draft, especially for facts, figures, or any critical information. For anything important, cross-reference key information with trusted, reputable sources. Think academic databases, established news outlets, official company reports. Don't just Google the AI's answer. Independently verify the data points. The key variable here is the criticality of the information. Higher stakes demand more rigorous, independent verification. If you're building a report for your boss, you double-check everything. Mistake number 3, trying to do too much at once. It's tempting to ask the AI to plan my entire marketing strategy for the next year, but that's like asking a chef to cook a meal without specifying ingredients, cuisine, or occasion. It's overwhelming for the AI, and the output will reflect that. The fix? Break down large, complex tasks into smaller, sequential, manageable steps for the AI. Guide it through a logical thought process. Use think step by step or act as prompts to explicitly direct its multi-stage thinking. Complex task example. Develop a comprehensive content strategy for a new SaaS product targeting small businesses. Too broad. Broken down approach. 1. Prompt 1. Act as a market researcher. Identify the top 3 pain points for small businesses struggling with project management software. 2. Based on these pain points, Brainstorm 5 compelling content topics for blog posts aimed at solving these issues for small businesses. For the first topic, draft a blog post outline, including a compelling title, 3 main sections, and a call to action to try our SaaS product. See how we're building up the solution? The key variable to adjust here is the complexity of the overall task. More complex tasks require more sequential steps and clear atomic instructions. Next up, mistake number 4, not reviewing and editing AI content. Even with perfect prompts, AI-generated text often lacks a human touch, a unique voice, or specific nuances that only you, the expert, can provide. It can sound generic, even robotic. The fix: always review AI-generated content for accuracy, coherence, your brand voice, and the intended tone before you even think about using it. Infuse your own voice, expertise, and unique insights. This is how you avoid that bland AI speak and add personality and authority to your output. Remember, AI is a co-pilot, not a replacement. The key variable to adjust is the publishing medium. Public-facing content, client communications, or critical documents need heavier, more meticulous editing and personalization. Section 7. Mistake 5. Ignoring data privacy and security. Our final crucial mistake: ignoring data privacy and security. This is often overlooked but can have severe consequences. Many public chatbots learn from the data you input, and that data might not be as private as you think. The fix: never, under any circumstances, paste sensitive, private, or proprietary information into public chatbots without first checking their privacy policies and understanding their data retention practices. Always check the privacy policies, data retention, and security measures of any new AI tool you use. For financial, health, or trade secret information, you absolutely need secure, enterprise-grade solutions with explicit data handling agreements. The key variable here is the sensitivity of the data. When in doubt, don't put it in a public AI. Now, for those of you looking to really supercharge your AI game, here are a couple of advanced tips. First, explore specific prompt engineering frameworks. Techniques like CoStar, which stands for context, objective, style, tone, audience, and response, or chain of thought prompting, where you ask the AI to think step by step before answering, can dramatically improve complex outputs. Second, leverage AI's incredible ability to summarize, extract, or reformat information from long texts efficiently. Instead of reading an entire 50-page report, ask the AI to extract key findings or create an executive summary. Finally, combine AI with other tools. Use AI for initial brainstorming or drafting, then move to a human editor or a specialized grammar tool for refinement and fact-checking. It's about building a workflow, not just a one-off prompt. Section 9. Real-world results and conclusion. So, what do these fixes actually look like in practice? Remember our generic email from earlier? By applying the principles of specificity and breaking down the task, we went from a bland, requesting a meeting, to a persuasive, targeted outreach that clearly communicates value. This transformation isn't just theoretical, it translates directly into real-world results. You'll save hours of tedious revision, prevent costly errors, and produce truly impactful content. These principles are applicable to generating marketing copy, summarizing research, drafting emails, coding assistance, or even creative writing. Start small, pick one mistake to fix today, and watch your AI results soar. Stop using AI tools wrong and start unlocking their true potential. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials and master the future of productivity. Next time, we'll dive into how to get AI to create stunning images from just a few words.